Dear student, as I am discussing about the free and open source software in my previous video, this is the continuation of that. So there you can find it that the program what is their modification you can done, you can do the modification, you can send the executions. It is free to all. Okay. Example of such Linux, I have said you just now Linux, you Ubuntu, MySQL just now, DBMS software, operating system. These are the operating system DBMS software like MySQL, isn't it? SQLite, then Mongo DB, program like Java, PHP, Pythons, isn't it? And internet like Firefox, isn't all these things are your some of the free and open source. So type of software that is used, free source software means which those which are freely accessible freely for the user, isn't it? Free for the user, changing the improvement of the copyrights, and this is provided that this terms is free, that is freedom for everyone for a little no cost to be paid. Open source means open source can be freely used, changed and improved and copied and redistributed, but it may have some cost. That means you have to pay some cost for it, for this media and support and development. The source code is also available and OSS means open source system. Okay, so this is available, this modified with redistributed. As you are redistributing the source, what you find it, there is an authentic author integrity. That means author is giving you some information and integration like free as well as open also. So we can call free and open source FOSS software, or free liber and open source software FLOSS. Remember all these short terms, all these short terms may comes in the exam. Okay, they can come in the exam. Next, what the type of software that can be used. Type of software is what is there? Property software, freeware and shareware. Property software is, these are the software neither open nor freely available. This is neither open or not freely available. You have to purchase the software, you have to pay for them, and maybe no charge can be taken, but copyright distributions are not allowed there. That means you cannot do any change. Free software means which are available free of cost. You can copy them, you can distribute them, but no modification can be done. Remember that no modification can be done, and it is allowed to the source available. Source code is not available. You will not got any source code in the freeware. Shareware, where it is shared, freely used, copied and distributed under a certain period of time, but there should be some expiry date. Okay, when you are purchasing, when you are installing, when you are working, there should be some purchasing date. So this is what you can find it, that it is not possible and not available for other source code. So this is a demo versions, and freely demo versions we find lot of demo version softwares are available, or trial version softwares are available. So those demo versions and trial version software what we find are available, that will going to what help you for doing for a certain period of time. You can work with for a certain period of time, and you can complete your work in that particular form or formations, isn't it? This is what you can find it in this particular scenario. So this is how you can use those your property software, your freeware software, your shareware software. So different types of softwares are there, and those the different patterns of software you can use in your mobile and today in your computer, in your different type of electronic devices. And today we are using those particular things and we are working with them, isn't it? So what is the main component of is that you must be very much careful about what type of software you are using, what are the information you are sharing, what are the things you are doing, isn't it? So all these things you should be very much careful about it, and you must know that how the thing is being utilized. Okay, how you are working on it, how you are doing the particular thing, how you are making the particular thing. So this is the property. That means as we have see here, I have said here that free source software like free and open softwares, there are operating system software, DBMS software, programming language software, internet softwares are there. So Chromium, Firefox, all these things are there. Those are the things what you can find it, that they are being utilized and they are being worked for the different type of activities for us. We all are using them, we all are doing the work on it. So as we are doing the work on it, we find there is a free software, free source software is there, and open source software is also there. So FOSS is what? Full form, free and open source software. Remember all these short term very nicely, because those are short terms what are there, those are short terms you will going to find. They also may come in